If you want to permanently delete your Wise account, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your account is closed properly. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Wise account by logging in with your credentials. Make sure you are using a secure device and network. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once loaded in, go to the Account Settings section. This is usually found in the Profile menu or under Account Management options. Step 3. Find the Account Closure option. Look for the option to close or delete your account. This may be listed under Account Preferences or Security Settings. Step 4. Follow the deletion process. Carefully follow the prompts provided to delete your account. You may need to confirm your identity or provide a reason for closing the account. Step 5. Confirm account deletion. After completing the steps, you should receive a confirmation that your account has been scheduled for deletion. Make sure to check your email for any final confirmations or instructions. Once you have completed these steps, your Wise account will be permanently deleted. Be sure to download any necessary transaction history or information before starting the process, as it cannot be recovered after deletion.